Yazid bin Asam states, in Medina Munawwara, a groom invited us and served us with 13 cooked mastigers. Some of us consumed the iguana, whereas some others forsook it. Next day, I happened to meet Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu and I notified him of this event. At that times, a lot of people were around him. A man said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I neither eat it nor proscribe from it nor declare it forbidden. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, what you said is bad. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not sent but to declare something lawful or unlawful. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was with Hazrat Maimuna radiyallahu anha, there were Hazrat Fadl bin Abbas, Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhum, and a woman along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Meanwhile, a meal's mat containing flesh was spread before them. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended to eat it, Hazrat Maimuna radiyallahu anha said, it is the flesh of a mastigar. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam withdrew his hand and said, this is the meat which I have never ever consumed. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to the people, eat. So Hazrat Fazl, Hazrat Khalid bin Walid and a woman ate of it, but Hazrat Maimuna radiyallahu anha said, I will eat only the thing which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam eats. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 5014.